Morning, first grade. I need you to open up your green notebook to your very next clean page. And we've done lots of sentences. So here we are. Today's date is going to be 2 26, dash 24. All right. So go ahead and write your date. And let's go ahead and review some of our skills at the top of what we're talking about. We are talking about those long vowel sounds. So we have A consonant, and what goes here to make this say A? We have A consonant. What goes here? That's right, a silent E. So A consonant, silent E to make it say A. All right. And then we also have I consonant, silent what? What goes in this box to make this I say I? That's right, a silent E. Next one is O consonant. And why does this say O? What goes here? What goes here? O. Why does this say O? It's a silent E again. And then we have E as in eagle, consonant, silent what? To make this E say E, it's a silent E. Let's review some of our heart words. Heart words. Where. Let's talk about where. That WH, this is a question word, where. So that WH goes for W, and that air. Just like there, we're going to write where though. WH. You can tell me what the next three letters are. WH. Ooh, I want you to fill in the blanks. WH blank R blank. Our next one is going to be the number 1. Think about the number 1. Lots of you, it starts like this. This is one that we have to know in our heart. O N E 1. Make sure you're writing the word where and the word 1. And our last one we're going to view is the word once. Once. O N U. What goes at the end of once? I'm going to leave it blank for you. Where, one, and once. O-N. What 2 letters go there? Once. Give you a minute to finish that. Right now we're going to write our 2 sentences. Remember, we're working on 2 sentences now. Our first sentence is, where can Mike bake the cake? Read it again. Where can Mike bake the cake? Let's count it. Where can Mike bake the cake? 6 words. Ready? Our first word is where. And guess what? We already just wrote that word. Where. So this is a heart word. Can. Where can Mike bake the, it's a heart word, the cake? Oh, and I'm putting a big box here. I wonder why I would put a big box at the end of my sentence. What kind of sentence is this? Where can Mike bake the cake? It's not going to be a period. What's it going to be there? Where can Mike bake the cake? Where, heart word, can. Remember our rules right here for can. It's that whiny A. Can Mike, I, Mike. Remember for that those long vowels. I, So we have I, k, and that's actually going to be 4 letters. Why is it 4? I, k, and I will tell you that is a K. I, k. Why does this say I? Why did I put that line there? Where can Mike bake? A, k, bake. Look up here for your B's and D's right here. B and D, make sure they're correct or use your hands. A, B, C, D. This is our B and this is our D. Where can Mike bake? Where can Mike bake the cake? And then what goes there? Remember, you are writing 2 sentences, so we're not done. We have one more. So we're going to start. I have some room here still, so I'm going to start my next sentence. My next sentence is, he made a lime cake for once. He made a lime cake for once. He made a lime cake for once. 7 words. He, make your lines, made a lime, like those little green things that you would see in your houses sometimes, lime. He made a lime cake for, that's a hard word, once. Oh, and that's a hard word we just reviewed. He made I forgot A is a hard word. He made a lime cake for once. Let's sound out he, because sometimes we like to add extra letters, and this is one we can't overthink it. E, what's that first sound? And it's the beginning of a sentence, so what does it need to be? E, he he made a d made a d. Why does it say a? He made a lime. My tongue is through my teeth. Lime. Like the color of this notebook is lime green. It's bright. Lime. I'm lime. I'm. Make sure you have your sounds. Why does it say I? Cake. You already wrote cake. For. It's a heart word. Once. Oh, and you know what Miss Abel forgot to do? I forgot to put my punctuation. I put my punctuation box. Make sure you put your punctuation box. Go back and check your words. He made a lime cake for once. Once. This word right here. He made a lime cake for once. So your sentence should go back and check it. Where can Mike bake the cake? You should be able to touch each of those words, and you should have a finger space in between each of those. That's the end of our thoughts. So we have our punctuation. Remember what kind of punctuation should be here. Where can Mike bake the cake? He made, touch each word, he made a lime cake for once. And then I have my punctuation. Go back and make sure you have all of those when you do it.